department. Things are not so great outside right now. We have cloudy, overcast conditions here in the city. It's been damp with an isolated shower or thunderstorm. We thought they might hold together a little better, but it looks like they're going to break apart as they come through. So upper 40s right now down to the south. This is the area that I think could get a shower or thunderstorm popping up. They have the greatest instability in the atmosphere right now. 45 for Poughkeepsie, 48 for Islip. Now, going into the mid-60s sounds like it's going to be really great, but it's just a mild air mass. It's not a lot of bright sunshine around the area, so still damp at the surface. Less than a quarter of an inch of rain in a lot of cases, and maybe if these showers come through this afternoon, they'll add to those totals. To the south, though, watch what happens here on the AccuTrack. It's a long line of showers coming across central Pennsylvania and parts of central New York, but as this gets closer to us, sort of falls apart, it looks like. There's a threat of thunder. Can't rule that out right now. 65 for the high today. Then behind the front, we have beautiful conditions, low 60s, beautiful skies. It's breezy, like perfect weather for the weekend. But on this AccuTrack here, everything seems to sort of fizzle out and fall apart this afternoon into the early evening. That being said, we want to make sure that we still have an eye to the sky late afternoon, because any parts of the atmosphere that get a little bit of sunshine could heat up enough to trigger a shower or thunderstorm. So that's what we're just watching for this afternoon. And tomorrow looks great if you have outdoor plans. A lot of little leagues and soccer leagues starting this weekend, so it looks like the weather really is going to cooperate pretty nicely. Storms south and east, 65 degrees for the high today. Tonight clears late, 50 degrees. So really do hold on to the clouds through the evening, and then finally everything sort of clears. 6:26 a.m. So here we go, getting started with a few clouds around. So it looks a little dim right now, but the sun will shine through, and we'll see temperatures in the low 60s this afternoon. So going about 7 to 8 degrees warmer than we are right now. Humidity at 50%, a west-northwesterly wind throughout the afternoon. Lows this morning have been in the 30s and the 40s in most spots, although the city and down the shore we had a few areas that didn't even fall below the low 50s. So that's a nice mild start for us this morning. Looking at the winds, few gusts about 15 miles an hour, but those will be few and far between. We'll call it breezy at times. Here are the headlines. Few clouds. We've seen those on the live cameras. Sun plus the low humidity and breezy conditions. That means that we could suffer from some allergies today, so be aware of that. Take any precautions that you can there. It's a cool start tomorrow, then a picture perfect into the weekend. Looking beautiful with this weather pattern. So first up, a few little wrinkles here on the AccuTrack. The clouds filtering the early sunshine for us. Now there's this disturbance to the north, which stays that way and is really weakening and falling apart as we speak. So on the Futurecast, really no worries about storms through the afternoon. And tomorrow looks good too. That sinking air with a high pressure system will make the clouds be few and far between all along the eastern seaboard. And it really sets the stage for a beautiful Sunday afternoon as well. Even more sunshine, I think, tomorrow than we're going to be getting early on today. We'll have to battle through these clouds, and then the sun will come through the afternoon. Monday looks like a terrific day as well. So we'll call it 61, a breezy beauty today. Be aware those winds will be out of the northwest, a little breezy at times today. Then tomorrow, winds settle down, high pressure stays in control, lots of sunshine. It's hard to find a cloud on the map here all over the northeast. It really is beautiful spring-like weather. 61 degrees turns into the low 40s tonight, so cooling it off here in the city even more so than we were last night. Very nice weather pattern here for the next couple of days. Comfortable on Sunday